today I'm reviewing the Bubble Super Clear Acne Treating Serum. And really quick, I just want to say I purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsor ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsb.com, join my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, so Bubble Skincare. I'm kind of getting into this brand a little bit. They're super affordable. They have fun packaging. But send it to, what's the name of the brand? TerraCycle, to recycle, because I don't think they put anything on here about recycling. But anyway, so getting excited about because they're really affordable, and we got a little guest. Okay, so they say Bubbles Super Clear Acne Treating Serum is a daily acne treating serum that stops acne before it starts using a powerful combo of 2% salicylic acid and willow bark extract to help clear clogged pores and breakouts without causing irritation for visibly clearer, calmed, less congested skin. And I do have a little bit of a pet peeve because on the website for this product, it says fragrance-free and doesn't contain any artificial fragrances and things like that, and that just isn't quite the case, but I'll get to that in a second. So my first criteria is packaging. No issues with packaging. Again, wish it were recyclable or had some indication on it, so if you get it, send it to TerraCycle, T-E-R-R-A, and the word cycle.com. C-Y-C-L-E. Link below. Anyway, so I do like the packaging, pump bottle, although it does screw open, so if at the end you feel like you want to get the last remaining bits out, you can. There's those little spatula things. I love those. So no issues with that. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. We get to fragrance. Okay, so first off, it does contain sage extract. It's more of a tonic ingredient in this product. Sage extract really doesn't have much of a fragrance, but I kind of categorize it with like rosemary or eucalyptus extract or things like that, thyme extract. Okay, but aside from that, it also contains neem oil, which neem extract can be beneficial. It can be an antioxidant, but neem oil contains a chemical known as nimodin, which gives it an odor, kind of like a sulfury scent. And it typically has that sulfury scent, but it helps control fungus and things like that. But neem oil doesn't have the beneficial benefits that neem extract does, like working as an antioxidant. So I will say after using this product, I don't really notice any scent to it. However, when I looked at the reviews of Ulta, there are several people that mentioned that they notice the strong chemical scent to it, which makes sense because neem oil sometimes is included in pesticides, kind of like citronellal is for mosquitoes. So I didn't really notice the scent, but a lot of other people mentioned it and the reviews did. So keep that in mind. For me, maybe a mild chemical scent, but it didn't bother me. So neem oil can be an issue for a lot of people, so it is a bummer. Okay, manufacturing location for this is the U.S., so no issues with that. So I will do a quick pH test of this one. And typically, salicylic acid, in my opinion, functions the best for blackheads and things like that when the pH is under 4. So, okay, give me 1 second. So for this one, I got the pH of being around 5-ish. Probably pretty darn close to 5. So, I mean, it's probably a little high for a lot of uses, but if you have skin with a damaged skin barrier, then a low or a higher pH can be better because it's not as irritating. So that's something to keep in mind. But otherwise, it has a nice lotiony texture to it. It's more of a lotion than a serum, kind of. But anyway, okay, so I recommend using this in the evening after cleansing and toning, or in essence, if you use that. They recommend to give it a minute before applying your moisturizer to give it a minute to absorb and start to work. Do a patch test of it. I highly recommend it, especially when you factor in the neem oil, which can be an irritant. And then you've got the active salicylic acid. It just increases the chance of potential irritation. Otherwise, it works well under moisturizers, sets to a natural finish. It doesn't feel greasy, works nicely in my evening routine. No other issues with that. It feels hydrating enough. I didn't notice any issues with dryness or redness, but other people may. But I just think the neem oil complicates things. So I think with actives, you're better off going fragrance-free. Just because when you combine it with actives or sunscreen, chemical filters, things like that, you just increase the likelihood that there's going to be some sort of issue. So, anyway, okay, so on to antioxidants and beneficial ingredients in this one. So, let's see. Okay, so we've got that 2% salicylic acid. It's a great anti-acne, soothing ingredient. It's a gold standard ingredient for problem skin. Helps unclog pores because it exfoliates them from the inside out. It goes deeper into skin, into the pores, and flushes things out. It can also function as a soothing ingredient and an anti-inflammatory agent. So, wonderful ingredient. Then we've got Squalane, skin identical ingredient, antioxidant. We've got Centella Asiatica extract, antioxidant, skin soothing and hydrating ingredient. We've got colloidal oatmeal, which is a great soothing, skin protecting, and antioxidant ingredient. Great for dry and irritated skin types. Zinc PCA, anti-acne, hydrating, natural moisturizing factor. Licorice root extract, antioxidant, skin soothing, skin brightening ingredient. We've got something called Spiraea Ulmaria flower extract, which is an interesting ingredient to do some reading on if you have free time and you want to do some reading on it. Good anti-aging, skin soothing, antioxidant ingredient. A couple more. We've got willow bark extract, which is a good skin protecting ingredient. And then finally, vitamin E, which is a good antioxidant and hydrating ingredient. So, nice list of ingredients and soothing ingredients. It's unfortunate they included all the soothing ingredients in there with that big irritant. But maybe they'll cross each other off. Although I don't think it works like that. Anyway. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is vegan and cruelty-free, so no issues with that. For performance of this one, I think I'm torn on it because I initially think it could be good for some people that have breakouts but also have a damaged skin barrier, and the higher pH might be more beneficial to not damaging that skin barrier. But then there's that neem oil in there, which just complicates everything because that, if it irritates your skin, could damage your skin barrier worse. I kind of found it more of a hydrating product than anything else. It does contain a few ingredients of note for acne-prone skin. So we've got squalane, Cetearyl alcohol, and vitamin E. So I would say this is probably going to be best for somebody with non-sensitive, oilier skin types. Not even somebody not very acne-prone. I mean, vitamin E and squalane are pretty low in terms of the comedogenic score on them. So anyway, so I wasn't overly impressed with it. Wow. We've got an assistant. Hi. Oh, he's interested in the neem oil, I think. Lincoln loves fragrance, so. Hi. Good boy. You know what? He has such good manners, except for right now. But anyway, okay. Then in terms of the price, so it's a good price. This is a full-size 1 ounce, 30 milliliters. Retails for $17. Pretty affordable product. In terms of the it factor, obviously I have two main issues with it. The neem oil and the pH of it. I'll probably finish it. I wouldn't repurchase it at this point. It does have some dupes that are pretty expensive, though. The Alpine Beauty Plant Genius Serum, which I think is like $60 for, I think, 50 milliliters. The Alpine Beauty Bearberry and Vitamin C Serum, and then the Ozceuticals Vitamin B Serum, which is also a little bit pricier, so interesting. Okay, so in terms of the Sarah score scale, with a 10 being a perfect score, I gave this one a 7. It's okay. It's average. They made that one big mistake with that neem oil. Had that not been in there, it could be kind of a game changer, but then you've still got the pH issue, which could be an issue for some people. So anyway, interested hearing from you guys if you had a chance to check it out yet or not, and if you have what your thoughts are. So leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys, and stay tuned for more tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.
Why does he do this?
I don't know. I think he's just bored, to be 100% honest.
You know, when I ignored him, that's when he came and hopped up on you.
That was cute, though.